If you're experiencing low performance on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to enhance its performance. Follow this guide to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve loading times and overall performance. To do this, hold the power button on the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug the power cable for a minute, then plug it back in and turn the console on. Step 3. Manage storage. Free up space on your console by deleting unused games and apps. Go to My Games and Apps, select Manage, and then choose to uninstall any titles you no longer play. Consider using an external SSD for additional storage if needed. Step 4. Optimize graphics settings. Adjust the graphics settings for better performance. Go to Settings, select General, then TV and Display options. Set the resolution to allow a setting if you're experiencing lag, or enable performance mode in specific games if available. Step 5. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can affect online gaming performance. Test your network speed through the Xbox settings. If necessary, consider using a wired connection or optimizing your Wi-Fi setup for better stability. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the performance of your Xbox Series X and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.